All right, so today I've got the polycarbide abrasive wheel on here. I'm gonna say that this is the winner. This is taking this paint off and getting us down to the bare metal faster than any of the other ones I tried.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last.
All right, so you saw that there. It took about 60 seconds to do about a 1 foot by 4 inch section. So as you can see, I've got a lot left going there, and then another cross member, and another. So I still got quite a bit of grinding to do, but just got to keep after it. All right, so the downside to the polycarbide abrasive wheel is it wears out really quickly. So this is after doing just one full bunk, front, back, bottom, and it's basically just obliterated. So I'm gonna need like 3 more of these. It's so crazy. I've got I went through 2 cans of this already. I bought 2 more, so this is 4 cans of rust reformer for this big trailer and multiple blades. All right, so I got somebody to come to see the boat today, and I was really gonna try and just give this a fresh chop right here because I don't have time to replace the whole board. And when I get to this one, there's like, you can't even put a fresh chop on it. Just look at this falling apart. Y'all, I think I need to write my neighbors a letter because they have 3 roosters and it's so obnoxious all day long. It's like what time is it now? It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. So they don't just crow like when they wake up, but they crow all day. You can see my chickens in the distance. I've got 4 hens, and when I get a rooster, I just get rid of it. And I don't understand why they're keeping their roosters. You gotta feed them a lot of food too. Something like that. Get some staples on there. Yeah, so what I'm saying is be a good neighbor. If you get chickens, kill your roosters. That's what I'm saying. All right, so I just cut a couple 2x4s that are going to place these that went over here. All right, so I got this super cool product. I believe it's pronounced 09. And this is leather tape, so it's like a vinyl patch basically. And this came in a big old roll, so this is just only a tiny little sheet of it. All right, here's one of the vinyl spots that's gonna need a patch. I'm gonna put one on this piece and a small one on this piece. I got some acetoner on this rag. I'm gonna wipe it down, and I'm gonna trim this little extra piece off right here. So I'm gonna cut this, and we're gonna repair this spot here. I'm gonna spray this with a little spray foam first, trim the edges clean, and then we're also gonna put it over here. All right, so I cut a little oval piece. Thinking it might be a little less conspicuous than a straight angle. I don't know, we'll see. I've got it all wiped down with acetone already. Oh, here we go. Go, Ryan. Go ahead, boy. I think that's gonna do it, yeah. Get back up in there. Oh, I kinked it, Oh, no. Don't kink it. Oh, it's nice. Nice and grippy. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. All right, so it looks like the color matches. The pattern's not exact to this. This is a little bit finer looking little, leather print that they put on there. I'm gonna push it in here a little more. Oh, don't scratch it. Uh-oh, here comes some jets. That's rare. Look at that guy. Look, Ezzy. Ezzy, jet. Look. Look at the jet. Jets. Not helicopter. Airplane. The after shot, my two little ovals seem to look pretty decent. I'm okay with that. All right, so I'm just trimming that smooth. I'm gonna get a little spray foam and spray it in here. Put just a tiny bit there. I know it grows whenever you put it on stuff, but then I'll put the patch on after that. All right, so I ended up getting Loctite brand because they have white color in case this leaks out a little bit, or my patch jab doesn't work. At least it'll be white underneath. I've never used this before. It looks like, here we go. Oh no. It was not coming out, and then it all came out. Shoot. This is not what I was looking to do. Alright, I think I'm just gonna let this foam up, and you know how it gets really big, and then I'll come back and shave it down with a knife, and then we'll put our patch on. Alright, the foam is all hard and set or dried, whatever it is. That's weird. On the inside, it's not quite. Okay, it's still gonna work. All right, still looks. Ugh. This fillet knife is working pretty well. Yeah, it looks like this is gonna work. I pushed it right here. I didn't think it was going to go in that far. Alright, well, that's how it's going to be for today. I gotta go show this boat. Alright. Uh-oh. Don't do that to me. Come on, baby. Get down right. Sit down right. Sit down right. Oh, it's a little kinked. Okay. A little kinked right there. I wonder if I can hit that with a heat gun. Oh, look, it's kind of going. Alright, not bad. As you saw there, it kind of got kinked at the end. But, not too shabby. I think that's going to do it for now. It actually feels good when you touch it. Alright, that's going to do it for now. Let's go get her sold, baby. Alright, so the buyer I just met with is not happy with the seats. He did not purchase it, so now I've got it out on the street with some for sale signs on it, and got to take advantage of the opportunity to go meet the buyer though, because I was able to take some great pictures of it out on the lakefront. And then I also replaced that other bumper on the front that was wedged in there too much, this guy here. Now we've got it properly listed on Facebook, and I lowered the price, so I'm asking for $12,500. See what happens. And then this one I'm asking $2,500, and obviously I would probably take as low as $500. I don't know, just get it out of my yard. I don't know, we'll see.